Welcome to our video on microgreens. In this video, we will introduce you to what microgreens are and why they are worth growing. Whether you are an experienced gardener or a beginner, this video will provide you with all the information you need to get started. So, what exactly are microgreens? Microgreens are young, tender plants that are harvested just a few weeks after germination. They are called microgreens because they are generally about 1 to 3 inches tall at harvest, making them smaller than baby greens and larger than sprouts. Microgreens are often used as a garnish or in salads, sandwiches, and smoothies, and are known for their intense flavors and vibrant colors. Now that we know what microgreens are, let's talk about why you should consider growing them. First and foremost, microgreens are incredibly nutritious. Studies have shown that they can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than mature plants. Additionally, microgreens are easy to grow, even indoors, making them a great option for year-round fresh greens. They also require very little space, making them perfect for small apartments and urban gardens. Growing microgreens is easy and fun. To get started, you will need a few basic supplies, such as a growing tray, soil, and seeds. Sow your seeds densely, then cover with soil and water. It's important to keep your microgreens moist and in a well-lit area. They should be ready to harvest in about 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the variety. You can harvest them with scissors and use them fresh or store them in the fridge. We hope this video has inspired you to give microgreens a try. They are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal, and growing them is easy and rewarding. Thanks for watching.